Hello everyone, and many thanks for your interest. The night of the 25th of June was very productive for me, but it was actually a bit frustrating because, okay, I take my scope out and I connect the webcam to the desk to the laptop, and I do sessions. So I switch the recording on for let's say 5 minutes, and then stop it, and then adjust the settings, make sure I got the right combination, the right settings, the right section of the moon, and then start another session again. It is frustrating because the final product after this recording is not sometimes what you wish. I mean, the quality is not as high as you would have wished to have, obtain that quality. So on the first session, um, I captured 4 UFOs, which I reported in one of the videos that I posted on my channel. And those 4 UFOs, um, they were of the same type of UFO, irregular shape. The way they were traveling was kind of rotating all the time, and the trajectory changed all of a sudden in some cases. So they show sign of maneuverability and high velocity. Now what happens is when you do these sessions, and if you look in through the eyepiece, the eye itself is not a perfect organ. So if it's too fast, or if the object is in a different spectrum, the eye won't notice it. You won't see it. So if you look into the eyepiece, you dismiss this because sometimes you don't see it, or you see something traveling very fast and you don't take no notice of it. Now in my case, I like to record, and then couple of days later, or a later day, I go back to the videos and I study what I recorded. So and I feel for me is, for some of the people, you enjoy, you know looking to the eyepiece. For me, I enjoy it when I can actually go back and study the videos in more detail. So on the 25th, on those 2 sessions, the first one, as I said, I captured 4 UFOs, same kind of irregular shape, traveling really fast. And on the third session that night, footage 208, which is the one I'm showing on this video, I captured 2 UFOs. I wish the quality would have been better, but that's something beyond my control right now because it happened, it's already recorded. But I capture a different type of UFO traveling towards Plato crater from east to west, and you'll notice at the top of the video on the top left corner, it was traveling close to the surface because it goes under the cloud cover, and it was a huge triangular or V-shaped object that if you look carefully you'll see it. Now the second one of that night, it was the same irregular shape as the one on the previous session, and it showed the same traits, the same characteristics of trajectory, velocity, and way of traveling, rotating all the time, irregular shape, and also sudden switch of trajectory and velocity. So very, very productive night. Frustrating because I didn't get the quality that I wish I got, but nevertheless, really good, really, really good, because the activity that's out there is amazing, absolutely amazing. You cannot deny it. So there you go. I just wanted to report on these 2 objects that I recorded on my third session on the 25th of June, and you'll be the judge. It's hard for you to make whatever you want out of it. So yeah, take a look. Thank you. Hello everyone. Here's another couple of objects observed during the night of the 25th of June 2018. The first one traveling from Mea Serenitatis to Mea Imbrium, and the second one a massive triangular object flying from Frigoris to going past Plato crater. Going back to the first one in slow motion, you can see it appearing on Serenitatis, flying across the Apennines, towards Archimedes, passing Archimedes and going down to Copernicus of irregular shape, all the time rotating and getting under the cloud cover. Thanks for watching. Bye.